Hi everyone, my name is Sergey and we are very excited to have you here today in this UVR tutorial on unlocking creativity. Until very recently, creating, manipulating and stylizing images required experience, talent, a lot of software and a lot of time. Methods of computer vision made this much simpler, and now anyone with moderate familiarity with such tools can perform creative operations with images and videos. In this tutorial, we will walk you through different methods that enable very impressive yet very simple image and video manipulation and stylization. In particular, we'll focus on representations that enable such method to work. We will look into image and video representations, 2D and 3D representations, explicit and implicit representations, as well as local and holistic. After the tutorial, you will be familiar with the landscape of such works as well as know the details of many of such methods. So let's start. I'm passing the floor to Stefan, who will introduce generative adversarial networks.